Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Before you start resetting your remote, locate the small reset button on the back of the device. It's usually a tiny recessed button that you'll need a paperclip or similar tool to press. Make sure your VSEEBOX is powered on and connected to your TV during this process. Step 2. Remove the batteries from your remote control completely. This is important because it clears any stored settings that might be causing issues. Leave the batteries out for at least 30 seconds to ensure a full power cycle. Step 3. While the batteries are out, press and hold the reset button on the back of your VSEEBOX for about 15 seconds. You should see a light blink or flash indicating the reset is happening. Keep holding even if nothing seems to change at first. Step 4. Reinsert the batteries back into your remote in the correct orientation, making sure the positive and negative ends line up properly. Your remote should start responding to inputs right away. Step 5. Test your remote by pressing a few buttons like the power button or volume controls. If everything is working smoothly, your reset was successful. If you're still experiencing issues, try repeating the process one more time or check that your batteries are fresh and functional.